Calling all P5 and P6 parents. Is your child ready for PSLE or school's end-of-year examinations? Runners of Work has everything under control for our students. Let us help your child get into the exam-ready mode this September. Our September holiday program is designed to give your child the best preparation possible. Ever wondered how our operations team support this effort? Join us as we go behind the scenes so you can see the meticulous planning and coordination that goes behind our programs to make it a success.
Every staff member in the operations team has a typical Singaporean kasus spirit in them. They are one efficient bunch who are always hot on the heels of the curriculum team, teachers, and even the management team. All these front desk warriors are always the heroes behind the scenes. They master the fundamental information about the holiday programs so that they are ready to answer parents' questions and address all your concerns. Some of them even memorize holiday program schedules so that they can respond to all of your inquiries almost immediately. Besides that, they're on their feet printing the holiday program notes, sorting and packing them meticulously to ensure that your child will be taken care of when they come in for lessons.
Once our operations team has meticulously planned every detail of a September holiday program, everything is set for a smooth and effective learning experience. Follow us for more so you can know more about how we prepare to make your child maximize the September holidays with Runners of Work.